In the vast expanse of the abstract mind, a single spark ignited. It was a tiny blue sphere, pulsating with potential. Around it, geometric shapes began to drift. Sharp triangles, smooth circles, and twisting spirals. These shapes, initially chaotic, started to interact, forming patterns that pulsed with vibrant colors. The blue sphere, now growing larger, began to emit streams of light, each a nascent idea searching for form. These light streams touched the shapes, causing them to shift and transform. A red triangle morphed into a jagged mountain range, while a yellow circle expanded into a sun, casting warm light across the mental landscape. The landscapes within the mind began to take shape. Floating islands of green and purple emerged, connected by bridges of shimmering light. Strange, hybrid creatures, part animal and part geometric form, began to roam these lands. They were the embodiments of half-formed concepts, exploring their world. The blue sphere, now a radiant core, continued to propel these creations forward. As the ideas grew more complex, the environment became more intricate. The floating islands became cities of impossible architecture, built with blocks of pure color and light. The creatures interacted, their movements painting new patterns across the scene. The core of the mind, the blue sphere, pulsed with a rhythm that guided the evolution of these thoughts. It was a journey from the abstract to the concrete, a process of constant refinement and discovery. Eventually, one of the creatures, a winged figure of gold, broke free from the landscape. It carried a small, perfect shape, a tangible representation of the journey. It flew out of the abstract mind and into the world, bringing with it a new idea, now fully formed and ready to take its place in reality. The abstract mind settled back into a state of calm, ready for the next spark to ignite.